Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin Daily Update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Cancel anytime you like and you won't regret it though. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, educational videos, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's go right now to see what is Bitcoin going to do. So eventually for BTC right here, for the very short term in the daily frame though, we are holding for now at least the 22.6k. We informed you that yesterday I was seeing more bearish signs than bullish signs, although we were holding the 50 MA right now. In today's price action we went all the way down right here, you can see that, right? Okay, and eventually BTC is not bullish yet, although it is holding a nice 22.6k right here. Now what is next? What is going on to be next with Bitcoin, and can we go even further down? The thing here is, yes, we can go even further down towards the next price target, which could be even the 22.2k, and maybe we are going to retest the 21.7k. all right, so you need to have this in your mind, but the 21.7k is for the next days, it is not for the short term. Okay, it is for the next days. We are going to just retest it. All right, so therefore I think that 21.6k will be achieved. Right now I'm looking straight forward to see maybe if we have a mini pump around here, around this area. The logarithmic scale is a little bit further down, you can see that, so I'm going to put a rectangle onto here as well. Okay, starting from the 22.685 to 22.6. And you can see that this is a strong support level. Maybe around here we are going to have a mini buying pressure. The technical analysis though does not seem crazily good. What I mean by that is not an oversold situation, of course, with the RSI, oversold situation with the commodity channel index, but at the same time I do not trust it so much. Okay, and unfortunately the case right now is that BTC is very weak. And of course in the daily frame you can see that the bearish RSI divergences played out finally. A little bit of a support level that we are having this line on the RSI. You can see that losing this line can get us further down into the next support levels, even lower, so you have to be careful. Look at this bottom trend line for the RSI. Something I want to discuss about is the monthly frame as well. You can see that on the monthly frame what we have done is that we have closed a little bit above the 50 MA. Now, is this a correction coming in to get us down from the 20Ks, or is this an institutional gap formation? What I'm trying to say is, look at this institutional gap right here. The monthly started bearish, we went all the way down, and suddenly institutions stepping in and we had a pump. But this happened in a bullish cycle. Now we are in a bearish cycle. We still are in a bearish cycle, and we cannot say that we are in a bullish cycle. Anyway, for the time being, I'm expecting more correction for BTC, okay, but I truly believe that the 17.7k, I will say it again, was the lowest on the bullish, on this bearish cycle. Okay, and we are going to go sideways, a little bit of a fake outs, fake pumps right here, and then we are going to go even higher. It might take some weeks though before we start our bull cycle again. Okay, so you need to be extremely careful, but I want to see, really want to see in the monthly frame if we are going to find an institutional gap right here, having a buying pressure and putting the BTC into a better position. I'm very interested to see that. I'm really excited to see that. Let's go right now and see the 4-hour frame and the shorter time frames. As I told you, nothing is looking good for now. Okay, we do not have to see a very good pump. I think we won't be seeing a very good pump for BTC. Okay, and we are going to go further down. Now for the really short term, what are the next support levels? I think that we are going to go, let me just delete this one right here because it might be confusing. So you can see that we are having a little bit of this area that we talked about even in the lower time frame. So 22.6k is indeed a very huge support level. Going back down, we will find a minus 2% around 22.2k. All right, and we are going lastly to hold, maybe we go all the way down there, the 21.5 to 21.6k that we talked about before. Now if we do not hold the 21.6k to 21.7k, bad times are coming. I do not think that BTC is going to regain its strength, and I think that it is going to flow down from the 20Ks near the 19Ks, and it's going to go sideways around there until we might see the later pump coming in. Anyway, for the time being on the weekly scale as well, we have not seen something extremely bearish at this moment, but at the end of the day, I'm waiting for more correction as we are approaching this level. Usually this candlestick right here, which has a lower shadow and upper shadow, this green, okay, usually represents a bullish candlestick where we get another bullish week, but it is not always the case, and I wouldn't depend actually, to be honest with you, in a candlestick pattern right here. Okay, so I'm just holding on. As I told you, I wasn't opening many long positions because here eventually we had this fake out and then we had the downtrend coming in. So I'm being a little bit conservative right now. It is better to short positions out, but be cautious, be careful, do not put much money into today's and actually in the next days a price action of BTC, because things can turn around pretty easily. As we are in a reaccumulation phase for the long-term run right here, things can go into the opposite direction very fast, and you could see the previous days, right? We are talking about some altcoins like Ethereum Classic went up 100%. Okay, so it is very possible that we go upwards, but most of the altcoins will be bleeding due to the fact that Ethereum against Bitcoin chart is not so good. I will be making an update about Ethereum, maybe some other altcoins as well. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.